Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows won't go to sleep ever, and it also accompanies with the legacy kernel caller error, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, we should check the power settings first, but I kept it as the third solution. Try running the power diagnostic troubleshooter. So, the command is msdt.exe space forward slash id space power diagnostic. Now, press the Windows key and the R button together, paste it here, and hit enter. This will open the power troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting issues and fix them. The next solution is to use override request override command. Okay, so I have a command line here. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the command line here and hit enter. And lastly, check the power settings. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Now click on change plan settings and then you can check whether it is selected at never for put the computer to sleep. If it is at never for both of these, then it will never go to sleep. So you can check it at, let's say, some other time. Okay, I usually keep it at 5 minutes and click on save changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.